Alright, welcome to the final part. So, let's go ahead and delete this for now. If you just hold down the left click and then drag over your shape and then click delete on your keypad, you should be able to completely delete everything. And then on the left side in your menu, just delete the sketches. We'll go ahead and delete this as well. And let's create something that's more similar to what you'll be designing for this challenge. So, in my sketch option, once I select a plane again, let's say top, let's go to line, and just randomly draw from one point to the other, and then left click to escape line. And then if we want to add a curve to this line, what we want to select here is not this, but the 3-point arc. Or you can choose a tangent arc, or whatever arc you feel like here, but let's do 3-point arc for now. So 3-point arc allows you to create a shape to your choosing. So 1 point over here, next point where you want to place it, and then the third point will be how much of a curve you want to give. So if you want to give an inward curve or an outward curve, it all depends. Let's do an outward curve here, and then let's make this aligned with that. There we go. And then let's do another arc. There we go. We have a fully a full shape here. So we can go ahead and dimension it now. Let's give this a radius of that much, 0.145. Yep. Oops, that was too big. So that gives us a radius of this. And if we do this side as well, 0.0145, that gives us that. Let's give it a length of 0.09, nice and easy. And then we have that. Oh, it looks like we don't need this one. Okay. What you want to do is align it to the center. 0.01. Just align it there. And that's good enough for now. What I want to show you is that you can extrude this and create a very different looking shape than last time. So if we go ahead in there. So now it kind of looks like I don't exactly know what this is. Like a popsicle stick. But yeah, that's how you would create arcs and stuff on one shape. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.